Hello everyone. Today we will using just 5 nodes to make this abstract animation in Blender. It's quick, simple and step by step as always in this channel. So let's get started. First, we select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Now go here in add, in mesh, we search Torus node. Here there is a little window, open it. We increase the number here of resolution 120. In rotation, we give it 45 in the y-axis. S, Y to scale it a little. Now we go in geometry nodes. Right click, join areas and select this. Hit new, Shift A and search for edge split. Make it here. Now we have this. We want to separate this edge. So Shift A, search for scale elements. Now, if I decrease this number, we see we have this element is separate. Now we want to extrude these faces. So Shift A, extrude mesh. I make it here. Now as you can see, we have you can extrude it a little or more. That will be our animation. It's easy, simple. Now we will make our animation. I decrease the number here like this to 0.1. Right click, insert a keyframe. And this, the offset, we want to give it just like this. So I insert a keyframe in 1. We go maybe to 60 frames. We increase here the number to 0.5 and here we give it 0.3. Right click, insert a keyframe. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now we have this animation. Now we go here in 120 and we increase the scale here to maybe 0.7. Insert the keyframe and here we give it 0.5. Insert the keyframe. Now we go here in 180. We make the scale here to 1 and we scale. We go here in preferences, in animation, make sure that we have a Bezier. As you can see, now we have a smooth animation. Okay, now Shift A, search for set shadow smooth. Now Shift A, we search for material, set material. Okay, now we go here in material, hit new, and name it maybe Torus. Okay, go here and select Torus. Now we'll go in the shading, we close this area. Now we add the plane, S to scale, G, Z down, now we go here in the world, we select sky texture, we decrease the number here to 0.2, and here I give it 120. Go here in render properties, I switch to cycles, active a GPU if you have one, decrease the number here to maybe 32. Here we give it 50. We go here in color management, we select very high contrast. Now we want to give some material for this. Now I go here and add in converter, we select color ramp, and go here in texture, we select noise texture, Ctrl T, enable mapping and texture coordinate. Connect object to vector and color to color ramp, and this to the basic color, and you select any color you want. I select just 2 colors for this tutorial. We decrease the roughness maybe to 0.1. It's okay. Now the plane, we give it, we make it metallic, we give it maybe other color. Now if we go here in the render, now hit 0 to select the camera, hit N, view, camera to view. Now go here, when you see the plus, up and go in the timeline. Now we have our animation. Okay, let's see our image. If you want to save just the image, go here and save your image in your computer. If you want the animation, go here and select the resolution and go here and select any folder where you want to make your animation in your computer. Here select FFmpeg video. In encoding we select MPEG-4 and here we select high quality or medium quality and go here and select render animation. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.